done. So now, let's put this one at the top to our baby bok choy. Let's tap this one to our baby bok. How are you today? I'm back. Cebuana goes here. Today, magluluto tayo ng bok choy. Ayan, request day. Shoutout nga pala kay Ate Soshi Wong na nag-request nitong bok choy natin na recipe. So, and this is our ingredients. The bok choy and garlic, minced garlic, and ito, may mix na tayong sauce. Water, half cup of water, cooking cup, and then 2 spoon of oyster sauce, and 2 spoon of cornstarch, maliit na spoon lang, and then 1.5 spoon of sugar. Ayan, i-mix nyo lang siya dyan, at saka 1 spoon of soy sauce. Ayan, just mix lang dyan, guys. Then later, I will show you the next procedure. Kasi inaantay pa natin na nag-boil ang ating water kasi ba-blanch natin ang ating baby bok choy. Okay, here. Antay natin. Okay. Here in our pan, let's heat the salad oil and let's saute our garlic. Let's put our garlic and let's saute this one. Kaya na natin siyang mag-change yung color niya, magiging brown. Saka natin ilagay ang ating mix na sauce. Let's saute our garlic until it turns to golden brown. Look at that. Yan, malapit na siya mag-golden brown lahat. Keep on mixing lang. Ayan. So, ayan na siya, guys. Pwede na siya. So, now, let's put our mix na just in a seconds lang, mga 5 seconds. Ayan, and this is done. This is done. So now, let's put this one at the top to our baby bok choy. Let's tap this one to our baby bok choy. Look at that. It looks so yummy. That's it lang ka-simple, guys. So simple. Yan, done ang ating baby bok choy. And next, we have to cook our next ingredients. Ito namang aspara ang ating gagawin. We have aspara here and the bacon. Ayan, and the butter and kosyo, ground black pepper. And then, we have to blanch this one again in 30 seconds. Let's blanch our asparagus in 30 seconds. Just 30 seconds. Same procedure, guys, sa ating baby bok choy. Hugasan din natin siya ng cold water later. Ayan. Just 30 seconds. And here, I have a steak. Ito, nagawa ko na to na-vlog ko na tong recipe nito. Steak na to. Partner natin sa ating gulay. Ayan. Let's blanch it. Guys, now Hinugasan ko na ang aking asparagus. So, ang gagawin natin next step is babalot natin siya sa bacon. 2 piraso ito. Balot natin siya sa ating bacon. Ayan guys, binabalot ko siya sa bacon and then stop natin lang. Lagyan natin ng stopper na toothpick dito sa may gilid. Para hindi siya maghiwalan. Dahan-dahan lang. Ayan, i-stop natin siya sa push natin. Tapos, proceed tayo sa dalawa. Hatiin natin siya ng half. Para maging kasya yung ating bacon. Ayan siya. Tapos, kuha ulit tayo ng bacon. Galing tayo sa taas. Parang nagbubudbud lang kayo ng budbud. Ayan lang. Just like that. Ayan. Medyo madulas-dulas na lang siya. Kasi ano siya. Ayan, stopper lang natin yung toothpick para hindi siya maghiwalay. Ilagay na tayo ng butter sa ating halan. Let's put butter here. And pag mainit na siya, ayan, lagyan na natin ang ating aspara. Just cook this one in only a minute lang. Madali lang siya, just only a minute. Tapos, we have to add ground black pepper. Very simple. Lots of ground black. Just 1 minute lang guys. And here, this one is our steak here. My steak. Okay, thank you, steak. Maraming butter na ito. Yan, change yung color na ito. You have to change the color. And here is my steak. So, guys, luto na siya guys. So, ready to plate na guys. Patay na natin ang ating ano kasi nakawan na natin siya. There you have it. Done. Our baby bok choy. Ayan, requested by. Shout out to Ate Sushi Wong. Sushi Wong na asawa ni Kuya Kumaras Channel. Ayan, ito na po ate ang iyong baby bok choy na request. Ayan na siya, done na siya. And also, my asparagus, bacon asparagus. And meron ako ditong favorite ni Happy. Nag-request siya na magluto ako dito. Kaya meron siyang pork steak.